vlog. So guys, hello. Long time no see. Sorry kung late upload. Like, for a years, di ako nag-upload. Dahil po busy. I'm so sorry. I hope you understand. And unting chikahan lang talaga tayo, babe. So, grade 2 po ako nag-vlog. And ngayon lang po ako nag-vlog like grade 5. Grade 5 na po kasi ako, guys. And I'm 10 years old na. So guys, I hope you understand why I didn't upload. So yesterday I upload some videos that in TikTok. So guys, kung gusto niyo naman makita yung mga upload ko, in TikTok lang, guys. So add niyo po ako, like my TikTok is Miss Kuhet, like Kuhet, tapos Catalia. My exact name is Kathalia, Catalia. Yun po yung spell ng pangalan ko. Kung gusto niyo makita, guys, like in TikTok, kung may TikTok lang po kayo, add me and follow po. See ya! Bye-bye!